A nation abundant in resources, capabilities and unmatched potential requires a robust framework capable of sustaining the dreams and ambitions of millions across India. Join us on the journey of Amba Shakti Group, a story that began in 1974 when our visionary chairman Shri S.K. Goyal laid the foundation of our first plant in Muzaffarnagar, Uttar Pradesh. In 1992, driven by unwavering determination and the desire to turn aspirations into reality, our Managing Director, Mr. Pankaj Goyal, established Amba Shakti Steels Limited in Muzaffarnagar. This plant, equipped with induction furnaces and a rolling mill, quickly became synonyms with world-class TMT bars, solidifying Amba Shakti as a household name in the TMT market. Building on this success, the group expanded its footprint with a new plant in Goa, bringing the legacy of high-quality Amba Shakti TMT bars to the southern region. Our growth continued with diversification into LPG manufacturing units in Noida, where we proudly serve industry giants such as Indian Oil, Hindustan Petroleum and Bharat Petroleum. In 2018, Mr. Pankaj Goyal's son, Mr. Manik Goyal, joined the family business and the legacy moved forward with a new plant in the family at Sikandarabad, Uttar Pradesh. This plant caters to the increasing demand for the Amba Shakti brand TMT bars in NCR region. With a vision to elevate the brand further, Mr. Pankaj Goyal spearheaded a significant expansion at the Muzaffarnagar plant. The addition of high-capacity induction furnaces, high-speed continuous casting machines and an ultra-high-speed horizontal-vertical rolling mill increased our production capacity to 0.5 million tons. Our latest state-of-the-art rolling mill, powered by imported special high-speed rolls, boasts the highest operational speed in northern India. To ensure high chemical accuracy in our steel melting facility, we use top-quality imported heavy melting scrap and the finest sponge iron from across the nation. To achieve unparalleled quality at ultra-high speeds, we have integrated quenching and self-tempering QST technology, specially designed by the world's leading company, Thermex Germany. This ensures consistent strength and quality throughout the entire length of each bar. Our new high-speed, fully automatic cooling bed guarantees that every bar emerges straight and defect-free. Revolutionizing the rolling process, our unique plant in the region produces uniform, flawless TMT bars up to 2,500 meters in length. Our patented Tri-Core technology ensures a hard outer surface and a ductile core, making our TMT bars exceptionally tough and long-lasting. These advancements position us as the most preferred TMT bar brand among dealers, developers, and infrastructure projects nationwide, with the capability to supply our products globally. We are proud to announce that Amba Shakti is the first plant in India to manufacture green TMT bars. Committed to eco-friendly practices, our plant operates with a minimal carbon footprint, using pollution treatment plants with bag filters to ensure smoke-free production. We have completely eliminated coal and fossil fuels from our production process, and we are actively progressing towards replacing brown power with renewable clean energy. At Amba Shakti, our commitment to innovation drives us to redefine steel quality, offering solutions that exceed expectations. In doing so, we contribute to India's journey from a developing nation to a developed one. We don't just build steel, we build dreams that take the shape of steel. We are Amba Shakti Group, fostering relationships that stand the test of time.